Today we'll demonstrate how to adjust the stem and handlebars on the Gazelle Eclipse to achieve a more ergonomic riding position. Adjustments on both the C380 Plus HMB and the T11 Plus are the same. Both the stem, the component that connects the handlebars to the Eclipse fork, and the handlebars themselves can be adjusted. Adjusting them in combination allows you to adjust the angle, relative height, and rise and sweep to find the posture that is most comfortable for you. Just two tools are needed, a number 4 hex key and a number 10 Torx head. Step 1 is to rotate the display up and out of the way. It will move when you grasp it firmly. No tools are necessary for this step. The adjustment bolts are covered by a black plastic protective cover. If you only wish to adjust the angle of the stem, you do not have to remove the cover. You can simply insert a number 4 Allen key here and turn counterclockwise to loosen. However, if you want access to the full range of adjustments, remove these 3 Torx screws with a number 10 Torx head driver. After removing the plastic cover, you'll see 2 stem bolts and 4 handlebar bolts that can be adjusted with a number 4 Allen key, sometimes called a hex key. As you can see, the Gazelle's innovative V-stem design provides for a great deal of adjustment, and you should be able to dial in a position that is comfortable and stable. You can always return to fine-tune your adjustments. If you do not feel comfortable with making adjustments of this sort, please feel free to visit your local Gazelle dealer, where trained professional bike techs are available to assist you.